shit. Dan, what's going on, man? The coffee I spilt on my keyboard yesterday is just now becoming a problem. So I'm trying to connect this fucking thing in the meantime. Didn't work. It fuck! Yeah, I really wanted to yeah. I'm very sad because I just got this fucking thing. Like not even 2 weeks ago. This fucking keyboard didn't even make it 2 weeks before I fucked it up. So let me move this shit so you guys can see. Pre-market looking pretty solid. Where the fuck? There we go. That's better. Let's see. Yoceris? I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Fucking good morning. Django, Joseph, Baboon Ross, aka Mac Attack. Good morning, sir. Uh, fucking Dan Davis. Let's see. Meanwhile, pre-market looking hella green. Just need to find a way of making it look like you didn't spill anything on it. It's not about making it look like I didn't. It's about making it work like I didn't. Uh, Ross, I did not see the tweet. Give me a second, and I'll pull it up. I saw something about putting the keyboard in the refrigerator, so I'm gonna try that. I don't know how or why, but hey, if it works, it works. Let's fucking try this shit. Terrible idea. See how that goes. Oh, that's depressing. Actually, I love that keyboard. I haven't had a Black Widow since I was fucking shit. I haven't had a Black Widow keyboard since like early years of high school. So it was cool to have the new iteration of it. And it was just satisfying as fuck to use. Thank God. It found it. Jesus Christ. 483942239. Thank the fucking Lordy! Okay, I think we're alright, we're rocking and rolling. Thank God. Okay, chat, we're good. We've got a keyboard. I also got my I set my third monitor back up. Where should I fucking put this? Fuck. Maybe right here? Possibly, maybe? What do we think of this angle, chat? I reckon we get some big fuckery today ahead of earnings. Yeah, it wouldn't surprise me. What is up with all the metals trading lower this weekend? That's a great question. I have no clue. I have no fucking clue. I want to see if they, yeah. I'm considering playing dumb and returning it. I mean, the best part is I don't even have to play. I don't have to play. I just am. Do you have any idea how fucking stupid I am? Like, I took a can of this. Actually, no, I still have the fucking can. Here it is, yeah. Wait, no. What is this one? Is this one right here? This cocksucker. Right? I put it right next to the keyboard. And I've done this enough times where I know if I keep liquid too close to a expensive electronic object, I'm gonna fuck it up. And years later, I still have not learned that lesson entirely. Um, spray some alcohol on it. Problem solved. I can't tell if you're being serious or joking. Good morning! Fuck. Hallelujah! We have a new collection of scenes, my friends. As you can see, we have Dave the cocksuck below the table for good reason. It's like that scene from whatchamacallit, from The Dirt, where all of the crew are getting their dicks sucked from under the. Yep, I'm banned. I'll see you guys on Twitch. I should probably tweet the stream out. That would probably help. I have 104 copyright claims. Jesus fuck. Not strikes, just YouTube telling me, "Hey, you're playing shit that ain't yours." I'm like, "Yeah, it's called music. Good music, and everybody in my fucking generation and the ones following don't listen to it anymore." Okay, we're looking pretty solid in pre-market. Oh, just a little. Just a little. Rippy Skippy. I use an old desktop PC as a table to fulfill my urge of putting liquids near electronics. It's like a fucking I'm like a cat. Like I know I'm gonna fuck shit up. For some reason I get enjoyment out of it without realizing it. I don't know. Basically, I'm just fucking retarded. That's the takeaway, my friends. My friends. Um, I'm currently in the middle of waiting for my check from my IRL job, such that I can renew my TradingView subscription, so I can have all of my fancy fucking indicators and multi-chart things back. Um, the takeaway, however, is it looks like. Do I still have that? I did this earlier, and I need to charge this. Got fucking gnats flying everywhere per usual. Let's see if I still have this. Oh, I already missed my other keyboard, motherfucker. Is this it? Probably not. Yo, Ross, can you DM it to me if you didn't already? I need to figure out. I know I can do it actually. I want to make like a price chart out of the viewer count. That would be pretty fucking cool. And what do we think of the new stream layout? Thoughts, questions, concerns, comments, observations, anything and everything. Hit me. Yeah, Ross, if you can do it through the chat, or if you want to hop in Discord, we can chat there. Oh yeah, the fucking share count shit. I wanted to go over they have API docs that I wanted to go over. Cause this is all this shit right here. You guys can't see it. Maybe now. There we go. Gold and silver futures dropping. There could be a link to it, yeah. There could be a connection there. Um, Chat. Ross and I are gonna hop into the Discord. If anybody wants to tag along, you're more than welcome to. I'm about to drop the link in chat. Oh, gold dropped. What the fuck? What? Gold dropped 20. Fuck, it's not GSX. Holy shit. Thank you for bringing that to my attention. What the fuck? I fucking hate YouTube. It is so fucking annoying just to get to the fucking just to navigate to my live stream so I can do all the fucking things I need to do. I have to go through all sorts of fucking hoops and ladders to fucking. All right, time for me to shut the fuck up. There's the Discord link. Again, if anybody wants to hop in, you're more than welcome to. Um, fuck. What you? Ah? Hallelujah! This shit had me in fucking tears when I first saw it. I was like, what the fuck? It's like if Steve Jobs became a Mormon. I love my man Hunter though. Mr. Jackson Hunter. Let's see. Discord. Oh shit. My bad. I just realized I was on mute.
Nah, no worries, no worries.
How you doing, man?
And I'll need to mute you on the live stream because it does obviously that delay. How you doing, man?
Good. 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 Great to finally talk to you.
Yeah, sorry for sounding like deaf warmed up. I feel absolute fucking rotten this morning. Like horrendous.
Nah, you're good, man. You're good. And I fucking love your accent, by the way. Respect.
Uh, yeah, I've had to turn the normally I put a voice modulator on, but see, because I feel so unwell, I had the voice modulator on and I was testing it for a video and I went, this sounds horrendous.
No, you're fine, man. You're fine.
There's a lot happening this morning. I'll quickly go over my numbers though, if you're interested.
Yeah, absolutely.
Um,
Absolutely.
so
Real quick,
I
I,
don't know.
I gotta ask, what do you want me to call you? Just so cause
You can call me Mac. You can call me Bob and Ross. You can call me Ross. You can call me Bob. I genuinely don't care.
I'll
You
call
can
you
call me
Mac
the
just
fucking
for OG's
yeah,
sake, you know?
yeah,
Because I
yeah. The
appreciate your
only
work and want to show the respect by calling you with the name you prefer.
no, well, it started originally. The only reason I changed it was leaning into a nickname that some you've got your gospel gang. I call my followers my motos. But it came from if you go onto my Reddit and you look in the way before meme stocks,
Right.
you'll see that it's all for putting my paintings and stuff like that, all my Bob Ross follow alongs and all my art with flow tutorials. So somebody dubbed me initially. It was initially Baboon Ross, but then I went Bobbin Ross made more sense to me, so I
I love it.
slightly changed
I
it.
love
But
it. That's fucking badass.
yeah, so I've got a meeting in half an hour, so I'll just quickly talk through the numbers.
Yeah, man. Take your time. Do your thing.
I don't know if you've been watching or keeping along with one of my kind of daily posts on the AMC Save Vote account.
Uh-uh.
Right.
No, I've
So
barely been able to keep track of anything as of late.
yeah. So one of the things that's quite interesting about it is if you look at the numbers of it,
Uh-huh.
you can see that we don't have enough to be statistically significant at the moment, like enough of a sample size, because I'm not factoring in diminishing returns on the population size.
Uh-huh.
However, long story boring, you can reverse engineer that formula, and we can reverse engineer that formula to do one or two things. The first one is if we say that the margin of error is 10%,
Uh-huh.
we can say with 54% confidence that the average ape holds between 960 and 170 shares. So that's a 10% margin of error.
Say that number one more time.
Okay. So we can reverse engineer. If you look at the tweet, I think did I DM you the tweet link?
I'll pull it up.
Yeah, I did.
Oh yeah,
Yeah. So you go and look into that, then you're looking at the embedded tweet, you'll see the three different formulas. One's to work out sample size, one's to work out margin of error, one's to work out
yeah.
something called the Z-score. Z-score is a fancy way of saying how confident are you about it.
Huh.
Because we have the sample size, we then just have to pick what we want to work out. Do we want to work out the Z-score, i.e. how confident we are, in which case we need to pick a margin of error, or do we want to work out what the margin of error is, and then we've got to pick out how confident we want to be about that. So if we pick as if we look for the
Huh.
confidence level with a 10% margin of error, we can be 10% sure. Sorry, so we can be 54%
Yeah, no,
sure. Sorry.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
There you go with
We
that.
can be
Yeah.
54% sure that we have between just having to go back to my thing. 54% sure that we've got between the average ape holds between 960 and 1,170 shares of AMC.
Right.
However, that's not the interesting one. The interesting one is we can be 95% confident that the average ape holds between 640 and 1,490 shares. If we go to the lower end of that, the
Hmm.
640, we go to the lower end of that, the 640,
And that's
that would that would prove synthetics to the level of 2.5 billion at least, which I
that would
find
imply
really
you're at
interesting.
least what would
Five
that be?
times the float,
Right.
like easy. What
Holy
I also
shit.
thought was
What
really,
were the numbers
yeah,
that Adam Aaron uh what were the numbers of the Adam Aaron tweeted it like a month ago. What um, the
The
average
how
share count?
many?
Yeah,
Yeah, so yeah, that was off of the back of the record date, but I've tried to like steer folk away from that because I've done DD on it, Kong Poston's done DD on it. The problem is they get that data from their auditors. So their auditors are Ernst& and Young. For GME, it was ComputerShare. They have to reconcile the numbers so that it doesn't look like there's an overvote, so it doesn't look like there is synthetics.
right.
And every auditor does it in a different way. And I fucking, for the life of me, can't find out how Ernst& and Young done it. I found out how ComputerShare do it because that's kind of all they do. But if you go and Google Ernst& and Young, they fucking do everything.
What
I
is it?
think they
Ernest
fucking
and Young?
Ernest and Young. They do pretty much everything. Like if you, I don't know if you've want to pull up their website on the streaming stuff, but like they practically do everything. As the short answer.
These guys right
Um,
here?
yeah, that's the ones. That's the ones. Try to do this with the time delay. But they do pretty much everything. Um, so I think the only thing they don't do is we'll make you a cup of tea. Um, so like you know they are pretty huge. So it's really hard to kind of figure out what they what they do if that makes sense. So what how they do it.
Their
Sorry if that makes sense.
methodology.
Yeah. Computer cheaters is quite simple. They will reconcile at the time of the record count. So, for example, this is computer share, by the way, everyone, not Ernest& and Young. So, if you've only meant to have 1,000 outstanding shares and you get 2,000, what computer share will do is at the time of the record count, they will reconcile it so that basically every vote counts as half and every share looks as half.
So you're
Which,
proportionalizing it basically.
yeah. So, if this is big ifs, okay, this is because I've not found how, because everyone does it different. Because
Mm,
there's another one as well, which you can just squish it so it becomes under. After the vote. So, for example, if those 2,000, then if let's say 1,500 voted, it could then be squished so that every vote counts as 0.66 of a vote, and then it looks like it's just about 100% that
right.
voted. If that makes sense, that's another way to do it. Um,
Huh.
there's also ways where as well that they can weight certain shareholders being more, so low, like if there's lots of low, they can maybe vote them to being worth less versus a few big ones, etc.
Right.
It's interesting. What I find quite interesting though is that you refer to Adam Aaron's numbers.
Uh-huh.
He said 120
Uh-huh.
as the average. If we think about it, right, we're thinking that it's maybe 5 times that, and then we look at what we are statistically looking at, so rather that there's five
Oh, if
times
you
what
proportionalize, yeah, if you
is you
proportionalize what you're
proportionalise it.
taking against his.
Yeah. What I
Oh.
also think's quite interesting as well is there's another guy who's doing it with a completely different methodology. A guy on Reddit, you withdrawals, withdrawals. I don't know how he's meant to pronounce his name,
Yeah, everybody's
but
got
it's
some
like
interesting ones.
yeah. He used a different methodology called the 80-20 method, which is you basically
Ah,
presume
yeah,
20% of the folk hold 80% of the.
right.
I do have flaws, things I could pick apart with it because you've got to assume an awful lot with it, but I don't like assuming things when I can avoid it. But
Right, right.
the irony is he ends up at roughly about the same numbers, I think, as his 2.125 billion. So, we've got that kind of,
Jesus, fuck, that's 4 times.
yeah, But it's like well as well, we've got different methodologies coming up with roughly the same answer,
Right,
you know.
which I think is a good
So
thing.
yeah, as it's
It's hard
corroboration.
to, yeah, it's,
There's a big word for the day, corroboration.
huh. So I guess we're looking at it at least from all the models from an aggregated standpoint, you could assume that the minimum that they would all be coming up with averages out to about 4 times the actual float, but I would even assume a bit of a safer estimate and take the minimum of that and shift it another um, another echelon even. So call it
Mm.
3 times the float as the
See,
bare minimum. You know what I mean?
see, the thing is as well is a lot of folk are kind of missing the point is that they assume that every 1 million shares over the float in synthetics is created equal, and it's not.
Oh, right, right.
Because let's say you have the price
The earlier
as
they were
$10.
generated, the worse it is for them.
No,
No?
well, yes, but
Okay.
that's not the point. That's not the point I'm going to here, though.
Okay.
Yes, it is, but it's not the point because obviously the earlier they're generated, the bigger the price gap between what it was then and what it is now.
Right.
But no, that's not the point I'm going to. But it is a valid point. No, the point I'm going to here is that if you have if you've got a price of something, right?
Uh-huh.
Say it's $10 a share,
Uh-huh.
okay, and 1 million shares moves it to $15.
Oh.
Right, your next million shares isn't going to move it to 20, it's going to
It's the
move it to
dilution
22 and a half.
factor.
Yeah, no, it's going to move it, well, it's going to move it to 22 and a half. Then the next million on top of that won't move it to, what would that have been, six something? It'll move it to 33 because it's always going up as a percentage.
Right.
So every
Like
million
a
shares
reverse
become,
dilution, kinda?
yeah, legit exponential, because the way to kind of think about it is look at the difference between AMC and GME.
Right.
We see more price. If you just look at the actual dollar movement, we see more
The
dollar
spread is
movement in
huge on
GME.
GME. Yeah.
Yeah, we see more dollar movement in GME, but we don't see it being as violent a price movement because it's worth more.
Right.
You
It's
know, like
harder
you gonna
to.
look at, you're gonna look at like Berkshire Hathaway, right? Okay, because it's the most expensive, right?
Right.
In a day, they will drop tens of thousands or increase tens of thousands,
Right.
and no one blinks a fucking eyelid
Yeah, because
because
it's all percentages.
yeah,
The scalar values aren't relevant.
yeah. So that's the thing is what a lot of folk are thinking is they thinking absolute values, like a million's going to get me a five, then a five, then a five. No, no, no.
Right.
Million's going to get you 50%, 50%. As an example, I'm not saying a million shares will move that.
Huh.
But that's what I'm saying. So it's like a 50%, 50%,
So
50%.
here's
So
something to think about then.
mhm,
Um, how much do you think that dilution could be, even if dilution is affecting the price? Because I mean, it's a pretty simple concept, right? Where you take
mhm.
your supply curve versus your demand curve, and where those two meet is your price.
Yep.
Um, what? Fuck, why is it not letting me do this? You're such a piece of shit. Hold on one second. Do you have the stream pulled up?
Yeah, I've got the stream pulled up. There's like a 5 to 10 second delay. So
Okay. Um, I'm just gonna illustrate this so everybody knows what I'm talking about. Um, oh, this is super slow. This is not good. Okay.
right, you're not
Um,
the only one with tech issues. I'm in the same boat.
right. Um, so it's rudimentary economics here. You have your supply curve and then your demand curve. Let me do this. I'm gonna actually make another layer. This would be your supply curve. That's a terrible, terrible, terrible example. Supply, and then your demand, and wherever they intersect is your price. So
Yeah.
if as you shift your demand curve, if demand starts to go down, your price goes down with it. If demand goes up,
Mhm.
the price goes up, right? Well, if your
Yep.
supply goes up, then you inadvertently reduce the price,
Yeah.
right?
Well, there's this thing I've done as well. This is, by the way, I want to point out, it's purely speculative and it's just, for shits and giggles. But it's based upon the estimates of how much synthetics we are. What should the actual price of AMC be if we were to remove that? Now that is entirely speculative. It's just for fun. Like it's not.
Mm.
There's no basis in actual hard maths or numbers with it. And I think we're sitting at about 30% kind of thing. Not 30%, 300. So I just saw somebody type percent in your thing. 10% gold. Is gold dropping?
I think it dropped.
1 second. I'm just going on to my own things.
I
Fuck,
gotcha. I
everything's
gotcha.
dropping. Everything's dropping. Everything's dropping since pre-market opened.
Where the
Like
fuck did
all
you
of
find it?
Europe's, all of Europe's took a drop. Germany and Italy have kind of recovered a wee bit. France, let's say 100, started down. Oh no, fucking no, that bloody hell. That's uh, when is that?
Fuck. Is it Market Watch that I?
Um, who is the DAX again? The DAX Germany. Germany, aye, the Germany blue chips. Aye, Germany's doing fucking atrocious. Go and look at the DAX.
Tax.
Um,
What the fuck? Wait. No, it's fine. It looks like it's alright. It needs to bounce, but
hmm. No, but
needs right out
The
of
DAX,
support. Uh, hmm.
the DAX normally is a lot more stable than that.
Yeah. It looks like the S&P if the S&P wasn't being inflated by bullshit money.
Yeah, the DAX is normally like one of the kind of far more stable ones.
Well, all of the U.S. futures look like they're shitting themselves right now, aside from natural
Yeah,
gas.
uh,
Ooh,
Nasdaq
wait, the
shot up.
Treasury bonds. These are important, actually. The yield curve on these.
Wow, they're just dropping. Everybody's just dropping. 10 years fucking bonds for everybody's dropping.
Well, the
Even the
10 years are
UK.
a lot of what the reverse repo are composed of. That's the
Yeah,
pretty much
yeah.
the it's what I think is three-quarters of the collateral that's put up in there. But
Hmm.
that's the safety mechanism for the center party. It's a
Hmm.
tri-party transaction, um, and the 10-year Treasury notes serve as a pivoting point, such that if the deal goes one way or the other, the facilitating party is able to be protected. So if this goes down the shitter, then the whole deal goes down the shitter, um, which seems to be the basis for what uh, one of, if not the biggest factors that has been enabling the fuckery in the equities market.
Oh
Um,
god.
this is interesting.
Looking at the 10 years at various scales here at the moment. That is sliding.
Yeah, and if you know, like if you look, every time the yield on the 10 years drops, uh, the prices of meme stocks go up.
Yeah.
Um,
The thing is I did my look ahead and my recap this week as I kind of always do. For those wondering, I do the different methodology, but it's you can't path in big events like this, like unrealized events, because they happen when they happen, and everybody behind this. You can point indicators that they're going to happen, but it's a bit like you don't know when, if that makes sense.
right,
It's like an if, it'll happen, but it's hard to pass in.
right,
But we're out with any kind of major market events. I would say AMC could be on course for either 24 or 51, 52 this week with my analysis, one way or the other, depending who wins Monday, Tuesday.
right. I can see that. There's a cat that I follow and do a lot of work with. His name's John. Super smart fucking guy.
Is
He's got
this
his.
John Holovich?
Mhm.
Yeah, John and I sit and chat away and stuff.
Oh yeah,
John and I have very, very different methodologies, but what I find quite interesting is how often, despite again, it's like what we said earlier, different methodologies proving the same thing
right.
tends to be pretty good. Because I called the 32 last week on the dot,
Huh. Look at you.
so
Look at you.
I know not to blow my own horn or anything,
What's that?
not to blow my own horn or anything.
And no, you do fucking amazing work, man. And you deserve a lot more recognition. It's frustrating to see. Uh,
I'm very new to doing the work. I've been very silent and sort of working in the background for a long while and stuff, and
yeah.
um, you know,
Well, it's
uh,
it used to be a lot worse as far as going public with one's work, because if you were wrong by even the slightest, you could even be
mm,
right. Like there were times where I was on the dot back in early May, and I would still get shit for it because everybody's like, "Oh, don't create hype, don't do this, and you're gonna make people
yeah,
sell." And that's when you have to have a reality check and be like, You have to be 18 years old to be in this market. So if you can't handle a little bit of emotional disappointment, then get the fuck out, because this is not for you. You know what I mean? Like, so I think your work is just absolutely stand up, and you should definitely try to spread some awareness with it. You know what I mean? Or rather, spread some awareness for it.
Yeah, I don't know how to go about doing any of that. I'll just plug away being silent and quiet, and if I get a following, I get a following, or if not,
Hey,
that doesn't
anytime,
go.
anytime you want to get something out there, you let me know, man. Because I love your work, and you have a lot of basis behind it. You're not
Yeah,
just drawing triangles on the one day, saying, "Oh, the RSI is going bullish on the 1 day chart," and there's
yeah.
there's a lot more depth and a lot more sustenance to what you're doing.
Mm. I think as well because I'm not very big up on hyping and stuff. Like it's very much just what's the right term? Here's the facts. Take what you will from it. That's kind of my approach.
Yeah, which is
I
admirable,
think. Well,
by the way.
well, it, it's one of these ones. Like I work in a data heavy environment in my IRL job. We use a lot of stats, a lot of figures, and a lot of things like that and stuff. And to the end of the day, they'll make their own, jump to their own conclusions and stuff like that, and then they'll come back and say, "Well, you said this," and I was like, "No, actually, you fucking go and read my emails. You'll see I didn't. I just presented the data, and then
Right.
you jumped to conclusion and stuff because data doesn't lie, but you can manipulate it to tell
Yes.
whatever story you want. It's very easy.
Yep. Yep. Fucking hit the nail on
Um,
the head. That's the frustration um, with not only this but just science in general is that
mm,
you can construe the data however you please, and the numbers themselves intrinsically don't lie, but the way
mm,
you present them can create equivocations
yeah,
with those intrinsically pure devices.
yeah.
Um,
Like one of the ones I can use is a thing. And by the way, to the folk in the chat, I don't care for the politics of it. I don't care if you're against, for, whatever on this. But I'm just using this because it's the most recent example in my head. But coronavirus arrest numbers in Scotland. So like I said, I do not care for the politics of it. I have my opinions. I'm not giving you my opinions because it doesn't matter to the stonk. I'm just using this as a relation to the numbers. Um, the Police Scotland came out and they reported all these numbers, which like, oh, we've got this, we're cracking down, da da da. And then it was like a month later. This was like right at the start, like last April, May. They came out with another set of numbers, and they went, okay, well, this is this, and the newspapers went, I people are following, people are thinking because the numbers have dropped too drastically, and I went, I can think of like 4 or 5 different ways, and I'm not having to go to Police Scotland here, and I'm not having to go the data itself. I can think of about 4 or 5 different ways those numbers can drop, and it still means that folk aren't following the rules.
right. Well, it's
It
exactly
could,
what the people like the Motley Fool and
yeah,
it's
yeah,
they're all using the same intrinsically pure uh, things that we are of
mm,
here's the price, right? The price in itself as the number is a number, and something that I try to explain to people all the time is if you imagine, and I'm fucking doing autistic arts and crafts on the stream again, so if you would pull this up,
yep, got
if
that.
if you were to visualize the layers at which a stock price becomes a stock price, right? It's like a giant funnel, and the stock price is at the bottom, and everything above it, you could have
Mm,
FUD, you could have,
yep,
oh, that's some great handwriting, you idiot. You can have FUD, you can have naked shorting. This is terrible. Whatever. You can have, uh, just manipulation of the flow.
yeah, yeah.
You know?
There's so many other things that the price. I keep trying to tell folk this, and I understand why they don't think it, but the price is the least interesting thing in this
Mm-hmm.
for me. You know.
Yep.
Every other bit of data behind it, like the price is like like the end product. I'm more interested in the data and the numbers that go into the making of the end product.
Right.
I'm one of those weirdos that sits and watches YouTube videos of folk building houses and things like that, and then the moment they're done and they go to do the grand tour, I turn it off and switch
Right.
on to another, switch on to other thing. I'm like, I'm not interested now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Um,
All of these factors that precede the price, this is where all the fuckery is happening at. The price is just
oh
the
yeah.
end result, right?
Mhm.
Um, and something I tell people all the time is, there's a lot of uh, what do you call it? Um, mis misconstrusion of data based on the integrity of it. So like Ortex, for example, or I don't know, whatever it is, right? Some data outlet. People will instantly tweet me saying, "Oh, well, they're not even reporting the short interest correctly, and whatever, whatever, whatever." And I always say this, and that's I don't care what the numbers are in this context because I'm already assuming that they're fallacious, right?
Oh yeah.
What I'm interested in is the behavior of it because that's where the story is really being written. That's the writing on the
Yeah.
wall. Is not if we're at 80% short utilization or we had this many FTDs. It's just simply,
Mhm.
well, if we saw a huge spike in FTDs at this point here, or we saw a spike in utilization here, then what are the
Mhm.
implications of that, and what in the past has that happened with? And trying to draw correlations with that to come up with what's actually happening, not the fact that there's having many
Yeah.
millions of shares short.
Yeah. And data as well. You've got to know how to read it properly. If you just
Yeah.
look at random, like here's a good example. Go and fire up StockGrid.io and then
Oh yeah.
go to the dark pool data
Yeah.
and fire AMC into it, and then folk will instantly take this look and panic, and they'll be like, thing, and then I'll explain what the fucking numbers actually mean because fucking
It's
no
the
one ever
inverse
knows.
of what you would assume. Yeah. If there's a short
Yeah,
position in the dark pool, that means buying is
yeah,
happening. Yeah.
yeah, and everyone's like, and thing it's like, oh,
Mhm.
no, pull up the dark pool one,
Yeah.
the
My
dark
bad.
pool data, the dark pool one.
Right here. Yeah.
Yeah, um,
Which I actually,
cause,
what I like to do is I'll take screenshots of this,
mm,
and I don't know if you've seen it on stream or not. Cut me off if you have, but I'll
mm,
literally
I don't think so.
I'll manipulate the shapes of these and try to fit them in reference to uh, short interest utilization or
Hmm.
FTDs,
Yeah.
and if there's a correlatory event where the curve of this looks like the FTD curve from 35 days prior or T plus 6 days before, um, you try to match those curves. It's super interesting, but yeah, you're 110% right.
Yeah, because like if you pull up to like the top number, you'll see it's like this big scary negative, and that actually means buying. And you're like,
Right.
But then that big buying actually proves our thesis, because like our thesis will be what's that minus? Is that saying the now minus?
I'll zoom in for
I'm
you.
having a guess of 7-ish, 6, 7-ish by looking at it.
At the end of this, you
Uh,
have
is it?
the short volume is 4.5, 4.5 million? Yeah, 4.5 million.
So and it's one of those kind of ones. It's interesting, but um, you just got to know how to read. Funnily enough, that was the first DD of mine that got stolen. Was I did this big massive post on how to read all the third party data we see all the time. And then somebody literally copy and pasted it, including the my hello moto bit, and then all my links to my socials. They literally copy and pasted it. Um, and then pretended it was theirs. It got more traction, which didn't annoy me too much because it's Reddit and they're not profiting off it. But then it's then when they started answering questions wrong on it, and I was like,
Yeah,
and I
that's
had to jump into the comments. I was like, well, no, that's not actually. It's like, well, what do you know? And I
right.
was like, it's like I'm the OG offer, you damn fucking idiot. I think I know what I'm talking about.
Right, yeah. Oh my God, man, that when that happened, the who was that? Who was the Finance Watch, I think is what the channel name was for
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
Like, because that was right
Hey,
after uh
they tried to offer me a position as a fucking writer.
That's fucking disgusting.
I was like,
Let,
okay,
let
well,
us
I
take
like,
your
don't get me
work and then
wrong,
offer you a job. Bunch of
I'm not,
cocksucks.
I'm, I'm not going to drag them too much more because, like I said, I don't want to be drama or fucking this, that, and the
No,
next thing,
there's
and that adds into it. But like, and I've drawn a line under it. We'll agree to disagree in some points. They do have some valid points, but it's outweighed by just as many other invalid points. And then to like fucking offer me a job, it's like, no,
yeah.
fucking take a
That's
hike.
that's a that's just a slap in the face.
Hmm.
That's just yeah. And that's been happening for a while. Um, like the word synthetic, right? It spawned from an interview with Sarah Trimbath. Is that her name? Who's the Darkpool?
Suzanne, Suzanne, and it's no
Yeah.
Suzanne from Bath's not Dartpool. She just does general market
Or yeah,
fuckery and
the FTD. Yeah,
was it
the legality of
something
stuff.
something short and naked? Oh, what's her book? Her book's actually I've read excerpts of it and stuff. Right, buddy, I need to jump now because I've got a
Oh,
meeting
you're good, man.
in
No, you're good.
four minutes. If I'm still feeling vaguely up for it, I might jump on afterwards and say hi and see what we're doing and
Yeah, of
stuff.
course,
And I'll
man.
be interested to see the price and stuff. I've got a few things I want to check out myself as well. Anyway,
Yeah, man. Thank you so much for
in
coming
the
on.
later, yeah. And I hope everyone enjoys my data stuff. Sorry, it's not very hypey. Um, but I just present the data kind of thing. Right, Sam, I will bamf out for the now, and you might see me later. You might not.
Yeah, man. Hey, thank you so much for coming on, man. It was great hearing from you.
Yep. Everybody take care. Sam, take care.
Yeah, thank you,
Right,
man. Thank
bye.
you. That was at Baboon Ross. I think is how you pronounce it. This is his Twitter. Fuck. Please give him a follow. He's got a badass accent and he's super fucking smart. And he does excellent work. He's just a very quiet member of the DD community for now. Um, right. Um, super smart fucking guy and really well spoken. Um, so please give him a follow. He does such great work. Let's see. More Scottish collaborations on stream, please. That's the hardest accent for me, at least. Um, that I've ever ooh, that I've ever attempted to learn. Yeah. Oil down 4%. Jesus fuck. Where the fuck is the? I don't remember what the There's a site that I use that has everything, and it's nearly fucking perfect for what we're doing. I think this is it. This looks like it. Yo, what's going on, Cash? Let's see if I can make this bigger. It's gonna be a rough day today. Hedgie's gonna push the price down as much as possible because of earnings after hours. I feel it bounce back if earnings are good for the rest of the week and next week. Um, yeah, I can see that being an opportunity for them to try and cause some whatchamacallit, some worry. Earnings is going to be really interesting because with all of the insider selling, it's allowed for the company to dig out of a lot of the debt. And on top of that, sets a platform for them to do a buyback. And share buybacks are always extremely bullish. And I believe that is something that can force anybody who's short out of their short position as well. I'm still actually fairly confident in the day being extremely green just because of how the cycle goes about. Because the cycle doesn't, assuming the foundation of it being FTD uh, recovery, I guess, uh, where they have to go out and buy the shares to fulfill them. Otherwise, really bad things happen. Uh, I think the cycle disregards for anybody trying to shove it down. Plus, on top of that, typically hedge funds or anybody who is trying to orchestrate a downward price movement likes to do it in a rug pull-esque fashion. It's easier for them to cause a 5% drop over a few candles to prompt for more selling. Traditionally speaking, not just on AMC, it's easier for them to prompt others to do their work for them. Where if they can drop it 5% within a couple candles, then everybody else is going to start doing it. It's easier for them to do that than to uh, bleed it off throughout the day. I think the bleed offs have something to do with price dilution. Um, but yeah, still a totally feasible uh, theory though. Yo, what's going on, baboon? Tony, good morning. People are pumped. I think we can hold it. Oh yeah, yeah. And I think that again, we've been seeing the transition of options premium shifting from puts to calls, uh, the options chain in general. So I think that we're going to start seeing some upward movement. And this kind of looks like a melt up to me. Um, yeah, you have a V-shaped recovery, and then it looks like it's trying to retest right here. If you want to go down the traditional route of TA, but in general, like after hours has been pure green on the 30 minute, and the 5 minute even looks solid. There was somebody was trying to push it down, and it caught itself multiple times. So I think we're looking really solid. Let me see what TMI is up to. Yeah, it's a giant inverse head and shoulders is one way you can interpret it. Here's your shoulder, neckline, head, oh, and she's climbing now, and the volume is, I mean, the volume is just super dry too. I mean, there's really like down here is the volume subchart. Relative to itself, you see that it looks like there's a lot of volume going on, but that's just because the volume that is happening here is relative to the rest of the chart super low. I mean, you can see it when I shift to after hours. You see it disappear and then populate again, and that's because this volume relative to everything back here is like nothing. Too many YouTubers looking at the micro? Yeah, yeah, because everybody's too concerned about what's happening next. What's the next candle gonna look like? And yeah, there's a lot to look forward to in general. But people are getting way too caught up in the it's just a echo chamber of confirmation bias. That might have been redundant what I just said. Everybody's kind of seeking for the DD that portrays, you know, the squeeze happening in 5 minutes from now. Um, which is fine to an extent, but don't don't lie to yourself, right? It's one thing to have a bullish outlook on things, but don't let it get in the way of reality. Because ultimately, like in the long term, in the macro, like this thing's gonna squeeze. I think not financial advice, by the way. Um, but you can't you can't just assume that every candle's gonna be green, and then when they go red, lose your shit. That's what my fucking Twitter mentions were full of for a while before I had the prowess that I do now, where people would try to shit on me for hyping stuff and shit on me for saying that we might have a red day. And it's like, dude, stocks go up and stocks go down. Life life can't always be a fucking green day, you know? Some people get too caught up in it. The Wario of AMC. I'm still waiting for a big YouTuber to acknowledge AMC retesting its highs from 2015 and 2016. Jamie did the exact same thing. Uh, that's a good point. Only problem is that that's more of the most fundamental technical way to look at it, and some people aren't capable in that area, to put it lightly. Oh my god. Tara! Welcome to the table! I need to get you in this. Fuck! I meant. It was right before I spilt coffee on my keyboard that I was like, I'm gonna add Tara into this. And then fucking fucked it up. Spilt coffee all over it. Good to see you, my dear. Good to see you. Let me know if or when you want to hop into a call. Can I be the bunny? That's the South Park bunny. This is the I don't know if you've seen the episode, but this bunny's pretty fucked up. If you want to be the bunny, though, I'll let you be the bunny. That's that is entirely your prerogative. What the fuck? I just bought this fucking thing and it's already burnt. Oh, boy. I am the one and only bunny. Respect. 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 Let me get some tunes going on in here. It's too loud. I just need something in the background. Tara, I love you more. And I love your OnlyFans even more. Fuck, where's the image? Oh, no, that's not it. Fuck, where? Oh. Where'd it go? There it is. How much? What do you mean? It's worth every dollar, I can promise you that. Oh, this is a badass photo. Shit. It's a fucking badass photo. This was such a good show. I found the bootleg for it. Or of it, rather. On that note, I'm gonna go. Yeah, what's going on, Harrison? Thanks for the plug, you big freak. Totally fucking worth it. I don't give a shit how awkward I just made things. It was totally worth it. Does this fucking key not work? What? Okay, that's lit. Thanks, Apple. Nice keyboard. Not that kind of plug.
Lord, I'm OnlyFans. Hallelujah!
I didn't realize it was so early already until I saw you were on. Yep. Good morning. My sleep schedule is so fucked. I hope everyone is subbed and drops a like for Sam. Goddamn right. Get Harrison's posh ass voice on Discord. I think I'm still in it. I'm still in it. Should be. No, I am not. Now I am. Are you on to market close from now, big man? What do you mean? Oh, sorry, I'm an idiot. I think so. I have to double check what's going on with work. Sam, are you in Boston? No. No. I will be flying up to New York in the next couple of weeks though for work. $60 people in here, better be 60 likes on this video.
Preach! Give me your likes. Give me your money. Tax exempt, by the way, motherfucker. Hallelujah! Give me your money! From Rapper Ripping!
Who needs sleep when you have Lions Addiction? Wait, what? Who needs sleep when you have Lions Addiction Anonymous at 5 a.m.? What does that mean? Where am I from? I'm in South Florida. Like the Naples area. Yo, James, thank you for the like. Jane, Minnesota, thank you for the like. I missed the final product to that masterpiece from yesterday. No, you did not. I love this. This shit is fucking... I'm so proud of this. I'm so fucking proud of this. I gotta get Tara's face in here, but fucking... Mwah. Oh, Tony, you're in Naples. What the fuck? I'll have to do like a meetup or something. Ocala? Damn! A lot of people from the fucking... I can't think of a name for it, never mind. What I was gonna say would probably get me banned, but... Florida's just a fucking crazy place. And evidently there's a lot of people from Florida here. Tara, I'm adding your face, whether you like it or not. Sorry, honey. I'm just a groupie. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Dude, Dan, your fucking beard? More importantly, the fucking bulge in your photos? God damn, dog! Wait. This is Dan on the left. I swear Dan's a porn star. He's definitely a porn star. Just the look in general. He's a sharp-looking motherfucker, but more importantly, his bulge on his Twitter photos. Holy fuck, dude. Save some pussy for the rest of us. And he's ripped. He's ripped like a motherfucker. Okay, I really need to clean, which I said last week and I still haven't. I forgot to put my keyboard in. Yeah, I read on, I think Reddit. It's probably like a 4chan fucking prank, but oh well. Someone said to put the keyboard in the fridge if you spill liquid on it, so that's what I did. Shit. Wait, what's Dan's Twitter? Is that, I think it's the Dan Davis, I think. That dude's fucking ripped. Like, honestly, like, dick jokes aside, he's fucking like, salute, sir. You're killing it. Am I gonna put you under the table? I mean, if that's where you want to be. I'm a fucking idiot. Here, I'm gonna pull up Dan's fucking Twitter real quick. This dude's private for some reason, even though he could easily have like 100K followers if he went for it. It started off where I was like, there's got to be a better picture of Dan's face, because with his current avatar, there wasn't much I could do as far as the Last Supper chat goes. So I was like, let me just dig through his Twitter, and then like fucking just straight fucking testosterone appears on my screen. Like, look at that! Look at the tricep! Like, how the there's so much fucking definition right here, and he's got feathering going on at the, I forget what these are called. Fuck, what are those called? I can't remember. But like, dude, this dude fucks. This man fucks. I mean, even this pose alone, I thought was him like doing a thrust. Yeah, the delts. I was gonna say delts, but I thought, oh right, I confused those with lats. He's got chicken legs like me, but it's okay, buddy. Welcome to the club. The dude's just fucking, just fucking ripped. Fucking salute, sir. Salute. Looking interesting. We might see a little rippy. We might see some rippy here. Both of these are up 1% pre-market, which is very good. Y'all are fucking wild. Fuck, what's the volume so far? Only 749 shares so far on GME. And 27,000 on AMC. This is getting very interesting. God damn it, Tara. Fucking leaving me already. Thank you so much for stopping by, though. It was great to hear from you. I'm gonna set up my OnlyFans real quick. Yeah, you and Tara can do a fucking collab. Where's Shivers? I don't know. He might be picking up cartel money or something to fund the super chats. God damn you. Should I be sending Sam a topless pic too? No, I only want that from Tara. Assuming this is normal. Should take requests? Who? Me or Dan? I love you too, Tara. Have a good night. From me? Oh. Well, my mic setup fucking sucks, otherwise I would. The guitar is gonna sound terrible. I'm gonna do it. Get ready, Sam. Oh, fuck. Harrison looks like he would be low-key jacked. Imagine a stream of Sam playing music and me painting an AMC chart. You should do like a Bob Ross like impression video where you paint a chart. That would actually be fire as fuck. If you did like a weekly painting of the AMC chart, or even like daily paintings. But do it in homage of old Bob Ross. That would be fucking dope. What the fuck was I gonna do? Fucking one. Ah, shit. Jesus fucking Christ. Sent in Discord. The spy's looking all kinds of messed up. Good. Let's see it. Good. Fuck it. This thing is at such an unhealthy level of all-time highs. It is unsustainable and is not what it appears to be. It is not good. How's a wish doing? Trying to push for 10. Fuck. Sent in Discord. Oh Jesus. Wait, which one? Which Discord? I've only sent this to my wife, Sam. That's how special you are. What the fuck? I'm more special than that. What the fuck? I'll tell you one thing. I'm gonna make a nice screenshot of the Moaz, make it into a poster and frame it. I like that a lot. I like that a lot. I'm gonna do the same thing, actually. Ooh, what are you doing, bucko? What are you doing? Probably on my delts. Dude, I knew that's what it was called, but I was listening to a podcast earlier, and the way they were describing a particular muscle group made it sound like the delts were the lats, so I started second guessing myself, but I fucking knew those were called delts. It was from listening to that goddamn podcast that I was like, maybe it's not. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna be getting a tattoo dedicated to all this shit. And I'm gonna be getting the skull that was made for me. That's the background of the stream. I'm gonna be having that tattooed as well. Harrison, DM it to me on Twitter. Let me see if the keyboard's working. Like I said, I literally fuck her in the fridge because somebody on Reddit told me to. Let's fucking see. Probably just fried it. It might be working. So far, so good. I have to give it a few minutes. Normally, it'll shit itself. Where the fuck did the up and down arrow keys go? What did I do with them? What did I do with them? No, it's fucking, it's doing a lot better than it was before. It's condensating a little bit, but it's fucking, it's working a lot longer than prior. This is working a lot better than I thought it would. I'm not gonna fucking lie. I thought I was getting trolled, but it was to the point where I just didn't give a fuck. This thing was pretty much assumed to be dead. Where the fuck did I fucking put those keys? Where are those keys? What the fuck? The hell did I do with them? The fuck? Is that the cost of fixing tech? Is losing fucking keys? What the shit? What the fuck could I have done? There were 3 places that I put them. It's like I lost screws. That's what it feels like. Oh, you're such a fucking bitch. Oh, this is unfortunate. No, I fucking put it in the fridge. I thought it was like a 4chan thing. I thought it was a 4chan prank, but it actually worked. I just don't know where I put the other. There are 2 missing keys on this thing. The up arrow key and the down arrow key. Do I have trash bags? I hope I have trash bags because I really need to fucking clean this shit. By the way, we have memberships now on the channel. There's a tier that's priced at 99 cents. Alright? The reason why I'm fucking plugging this shit is not so I can make money. It's so that in the event there's a bunch of bots that raid the channel, because that's been happening a little bit as of recent. I want to make sure that I can put this into sub mode. And that way non-bots will be chatting. So, like I said, 99 cents, super fucking straightforward. It costs less than a pack of fucking bubble gum. Give me your money, bitch. Tax free, by the way. And then maybe I can buy some fucking arrow keys off of AliExpress. What the fuck did I do with them? Oh, Harrison. Took you long enough, cunt. Thank you. Jamie! Good morning. Okay, this is actually tilting the fuck out of me. Where did I put these fucking keys? By the way, Trash Island is flourishing. Wow, it is so messy you can't even tell what is Trash Island and what is just my desk. This shit's fucking bad, dude. I used to play poker. I'm using it as a League of Legends term, which it probably spawned from poker. It manifesting in League chat probably came from poker. Poker's hella fun though. Actually, I've got a good buddy of mine who got me into it, and he's super fucking intelligent. And he's got a more mathematical approach to it, or scratch that. He has a more than usual mathematical approach to the game, and I think he takes the odds to. He overanalyzes the odds such that it bites him in the ass. Because like if you have pocket aces, you know, I think it's a 84% win rate on that. You'll win 84% of the time with pocket aces. And so that translates to just over 4 and 5. 4 out of 5 times you win with pocket aces. And he had lost, like he was keeping track in his head of how many times he's had pocket aces, and he had lost the past 4 times in a row, which statistically is an anomaly. So, well, technically it's not, but he then was like fully confident out of his session for that night that the 5th time would win because it's just over 4 out of 5 times. But no, he went he didn't go. He didn't go all in. I think he put about half of his stack in, assuming that he would win. Nope. Nope. Went all the way to the river. And then the cocksucker got straight. And that's the way she goes. Where the fuck? Which amazes me because, like, you know, he was trying to bully the guy too. You know, if you have pocket aces, it's pretty easy to bluff, quote unquote, because you're not really bluffing. And he's a solid player. But the caveat is that the guy he was playing against was super confident in the fact that he would have a straight with like I think it was a king 10 offsuit. Looks like my old uni dorm. Yeah, right? But 10 times more disgusting and much less pussy. Oh yeah, yesterday it was I worked on this.
Hallelujah!
And that scene. And then redesigning this scene, which crashed twice, I think. And I lost all of the work that was in this twice. So that was the majority of yesterday. Let me make sure this works. Yeah, the gambler's fallacy, yeah. The neglection of work for anyone in AMC has to be unprecedented. Yeah. Yeah, what's going on, BM? Yeah, no, it's morning for me. I'm up. Okay, cool. That's staying now. Cool. I gotta find these keys. This is really fucking annoying. I have no idea where they went. And they shouldn't have gone far. Found one. Of course they fell on the floor. I really don't want to move anything around down here, because God only knows what's gonna fucking start crawling when I start messing with it. I have no idea where the other one is. I'm missing one fucking key. Literally one key. This is raunchy, dude. This is so fucking raunchy. Found it! Alright, now I don't have to look at my floor anymore. Well, this is nice. I unfucked my, like, $150 keyboard. I think everyone is now a little too predisposed to expecting red days. This thing always... GameStop and AMC always turn at the least expected moments. And I feel like a lot of people... oh, fuck. Is it going fucky again? I hope it's not. I think we're good. I think it's fine. But yeah, this thing always turns when everybody least expects it. It's super weird, but it's something that I've noticed. Low expectations. Yeah, exactly. Lower expectations are easier to exceed. Oh shit. I think we're good. Yeah, we're fine. Fuck, where did my command line go for this? I'm gonna go to the 5-minute just to keep easier tracking on this. What the fuck? How many fucking windows do I have? Jesus fuck. This is something that's been really interesting as of late. I tweeted a couple nights ago that Bigums and Randy and I had found a bombshell, and this pertains to it a little bit. We were able to find data from the OCC, which is the Options Clearing Corporation, and it looks like a lot of if you call this the last phase of fuckery, right? It's happening with the OCC, within the Options Clearing Corporation. Just the way that their settlements between securities and cash is handled, the schedule of it allows for fuckery to happen. I'm gonna use the bathroom real quick and run a few ads. I'll be right back. Don't fucking go anywhere, cocksucks, okay? Everybody is welcome to the table of the Holy Lordy, as long as you super chat and give me your money through memberships. Hallelujah!
Welcome to the shit show!
Alright, keyboard's still working. That's fucking lit. How do I put all my fucking money in drinking water futures? Just go long on Nestle. They're literally buying water. Sam, please cut that Jesus head out round. It's driving me crazy. Haha. Fuck you, you OCD prick. Have you posted it to Twitter yet? Yeah. I kind of like the, I kind of like the shitty cut job I did. Fuck you, Jamie. Is this the same stream I was going on last week? Music confused me. Yeah, no, it's a little bit more mellowed out, and my stream got fucking suicided by YouTube because I had Cheap Trick playing yesterday. Who the fuck wants to be a roadie? What do you mean roadie? Yeah, the music and concert type, yeah. The identity of the stream is torn between rock and roll and religion. So I don't know what the fuck I'm doing with it. Dude, this fucking video is going fucking nuts on the, what do you call it? On the views. I got 500. Jesus Christ. Somehow it got $50 in ad revenue on it too. Just fucking uncanny. Unreal. And just for the record, because I like to maintain at least a degree of transparency, because there's a lot of fucking scummy pieces of shit in this community. This is how much I've made. Fuck. This is how much I've made. As far as ad revenue and super chats go. Before I had super chats, and it was just Streamlab donations, the numbers in like just shy of the $2,000 range. It's fucking crazy, man. So thank you all just for all this shit. There's a particular member of the community who who donation wise has a large majority. I won't say his name. If you know who he is, you know who he is. But thank you, everybody. Just for real. I mean, this has been fucking crazy. Just fucking crazy. So thank you all for everything. Like, I say this all the time. I'd be doing this if there was one person watching, 45 people watching, or a million people watching, right? But you have no idea how much of an honor it is, and how grateful I am for the fact that you all support me. And you don't have to donate, you don't have to be a member, you don't have to super chat. Just being here, right, means the world to me. So thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. This has just been fucking unreal. Unfucking real. Yeah, I mean, it's just like, this in proportion to ad revenue to super chats, just so everybody is aware. Like, this is the what do you call it? This is why super chats are such a demon for those that incentivize them more than they should be. The ad revenue is just a sliver. So, thank you, everybody. Thank you so much. Get that overtime service in your lives! Gospel gang, fuck. Gospel gang, biatch! My dude's wicked smart. Wicked smart. Wicked smart. goodness. Dude, this tweet had me rolling. This fucking shit had me rolling when I saw it. Oh, you know what? Hold on. Hold on. I love you fuckers. I love you guys so much. Fuck. What else? Yo, fucking Mac, thank you again for coming by, man. Thanks for throwing in some words and giving everybody the information that is most important and deserves the attention that I'm trying to help give it, you know? Please, again, if there's anything you ever want to get out there that you need some assistance getting out there, you let me know. Any fucking time, man. Thank you. Have a good rest of your day, dude. You'll be on in the background for my meeting, muted when it's my turn to speak. Put him with his mate, Matt. I'm trying to add in some more. Let's see. Hold on. That's the wrong fucking screen, idiot. Hallelujah! I have no idea. Okay, yeah, I've totally lost track of which scene is which. Fuck. I was raised Catholic, just for context. I don't know who any of these fucking people are besides Jesus in the middle. And just to further elaborate on that point, the degree of Catholicism that I was raised in did not allow me to use the word but with 2 T's. And allow me to also clarify on that point, I love my parents to death and always will. And they're not as harsh as they sound with those little details that I just put in. But I had fucking Sunday school for like 6 years, and I still don't know who any of these fucking people are. But why? Yeah, Tony gets it. Tony gets it. Now that we have more people in here, what does everybody think of the new layout? I've got an idea. Is it raining? I hope it's fucking raining. Jesus fuck. I'm so pissed, man. YouTube took down my go-to like downloading service for YouTube to like a video converter so I could save shit from YouTube. And never for like illegal means of like downloading shit for free. It was just simply fucking, what do you call it? So I could fucking download a fucking animation. Yeah, there's still space for a lot of shit. Why can I not fucking make it red? Some of your background reminds me of Guns N' Roses. You should check them out. Decent band. I'm 99% sure you're joking. The dude with the Matt Kors username, fucking hell. I think it was last week. I kept fucking just nailing these fucking jokes of I had like a Skid Row song on, and he was like, "Yo, fucking Def Leppard, dude, I love this song." Who the fuck? Oh, Karsha Kivitz. Thank ya. What about this chat? Can I slow it down? Yeah, I'm gonna... Slash is pretty good. You should check him out too. Yeah. Yeah. I've seen a picture of him once. He kind of reminds me of this drawing that Dave's Daily Trades did. I loved it so much I tattooed it on me. I think Slash ripped it from Dave though. I fucking love you guys. We need another deed. Oh yeah, you were saying earlier to watch one of his videos. Yeah, let me check the charts real quick and then I'll do that. Should be a bounce here. Fuck. Should be a nice little bounceroo, something like this. Dude, he's just such a twat. Like you watch him and you're like, how the fuck do you... How the fucking goddamn hell are you in any way getting views? Madonna was in here earlier. I meant to say hello and totally forgot. Madonna, are you still in here? How am I thinking today is going to play out? I think pretty good. A lot of people are skeptic because of how earnings are coming out after market close, and there's skepticism around hedgies trying to shove it down beforehand. I think we're going to do well though. I think it's going to be a solid day. He's got a good comedy face. I just like him so much, it makes me like him. Dude, when I was creating the Last Supper chat earlier, by the way, that name was come up with by Ty Jones. I don't know if he's in here or not. But when I read it, dude, fucking just I wish I came up with it. That's how much I love the name. But when I was coming up with this asshat's fucking shit. I started, oh yeah, his layer name is Cocksucker. There's a... Oh, I know what. Hold on. Well, first off, Photoshop's a brilliant fucking tool. So I was able to do some work on his eyes. He kind of looks like a frog. Fuck me. Peeping over a poster. Good call. Good call. I got the subway bag in Trey's hand. There was a lot of attention to detail here.
Listen, man.
Oh yeah, I gotta get Adam Aaron.
Thank you for your money, bitch.
Yo, Roman, with the $4.99 super chat. It's not much, but wanted to show you some love and support. You demand, Astro. Yo, thank you, man. It's not about the amount. Just that sentiment alone means the world to me, man. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. I gotta figure out why the text-to-speech isn't firing. Yo, Dan. Oh, you fucking bloody fucking wanker, can't you? Oh, you love me, huh? You fucking wanker. Oh, you love me, right? Yeah, bruv. Yeah, uh-huh. Right. Right.
Yeah,
bruv.
bruv.
You fucking meathead giant fucking pox fucking bloke you. Yeah. The accents have to warm up today. They are not what they should be. Thank you, Dan. I fucking love you, dog. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Where's Shivers? Right. When you wake up, pre-market up 100%, it's game on. I'll be up for pre-market. That's pretty much what it's been. Shit. Is the red English? Are the red particles too bright in the corner? Is that too bright? It's not about the amount, only that it can be exchanged for Siggy's and Chick-fil-A-ness. Ah, true! So fucking true. Shiveries is on holiday at Niagara Falls at the moment. He was on yesterday. Oh, nice. Good for him. Good for him. Another particle? Cool. Okay. I was just curious if in the top right it looked too bright. I wonder... What about that? The red looks good? Okay. Figured it wouldn't get the lighting right. No, it doesn't go that far, does it? Fuck. Ah, you piece of shit. What the fuck? Fuck. Fucking goddamn fucking pissing dicks. What the hell? Let me see if I can at least show you guys what I'm working with now. So I've had 3 monitors, right? I've had 3 monitors for a while. This middle one, I thought fucking kicked the bucket because when I was working with the, when I was using my MacBook for streaming, it, something with the MacBook just fucked everything up and it made this monitor not work the way it should. So I thought the monitor was just fucked, right? What's going on, dude? How you doing? I look like fucking this fucking stupid fuck. Hold on. Wait. Wait, what? What? Yeah. I have the angle completely off and I just look even more autistic than normal. Alright, never doing that again. Fucking shit. Can I make this reach? Fucking hell. So now that I have the 3 monitors back up and running, it makes everything a lot easier as far as the content creation and management goes. The fuck? This is such fucking bullshit. Why is this being so fucking ornery? This is unfortunate. Okay. Let's see if that does it. Yeah, that's my impromptu makeshift set of curtains or whatever. Shit. Yeah, I'm getting a green screen. Shivery's donated like $100 yesterday and told me to get one. So, Shivery's has literally paid my rent almost 2 times over now through his donations and super chats. So, whatever he says fucking goes. And I had
I gotta test this, hold on. So this I made yesterday, and I had the echo effect set up just right, so it sounded like shit! Oh. Hallelujah! Is the mic too loud? Is this too loud? Somebody tell me right fucking now. Yeah, it's tinny. Yeah. I wonder if I can get the MIDI interface set back up.
well, the whatchamacallit, actually, wait. Fuck. What the hell is this? Oh, I've been looking for these actually. These are the weights for my mouse. Been looking for this. Shit. Well, I was gonna use this. Batteries just fell out and I'm too lazy. Do I have another USB hub? Oh, I've got a third webcam? I totally fucking forgot. I've got another one. Oh shit. Oh shit. Sounds like you're talking into a Pringles tube. Is this an HDMI? Yeah, I've been looking for a lot of this shit. All I have to do is open my eyes. That's Where's the USB hub? I swear I have one more. Fuck. Where would I have put it? Fuck. Alright. Dumbass. So how does this fucking work? The fuck? Shit. I also need to get a, what do you call it? Where the fuck? What? How the fuck? I need to get like a soft light on the webcam. Or not on the webcam, but just so that the lighting is less shitty. How does this fucking work? How do I add weights into this? Fuck. Fuck, 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 fuck.
Of your Logitech unique feature that allows to pushing up the blue. Next, open up the weight box.
Oh Jesus,
There
what the
you
fuck?
can now remove the mouse over and pushing up the blue handle.
I would have never guessed. Holy shit. This mouse is fucking dope. The, whatever model this is, by Logitech. Like, look at this like, you can literally open up the thing among multiple fucking orifices. Fuck! Where'd it go? And it's all magnetized. It's like if Houdini had a fucking computer interfacing device. What? What? Huh? This weight is too big. I'm so confused. Is there another one up here? It's like a puzzle, dude. I'm pretty sure there's no way to fit this fucking weight. What?
This will open up the cover, which you can now remove. Next, open up the weight box. There you will see 5 weights. Your mouse can hold all 5. To insert, simply fit the weight into one of the 5 corresponding grooves. You may want to experiment with different weight variations to see what roll 5 to door and begin.
What? Dog, there's no way. There's no, like, I mean, just physically it's not possible. What? Is there another one that I'm not aware of here? Hold on, chat. Sorry, I'm being autistic. I can't wait for the day that somebody tries to call me out on using the word autistic so liberally. 'Cause I am. This is not possible. This is physically not possible. It's like Dan Davis's physique. There's no way. It's like a grandpa unboxing a gaming mouse. Somebody ban Harrison right now. What the fuck? Is there another compartment that I'm not aware of here? This looks like it would come off. I'm about to break this thing. Oh, I wonder if this opens up. It's gonna be like the fucking circuit board or something. Alright, whatever. Where'd I put the fucking... There it is. Right in front of me. Yeah, how are these supposed to... There's no way. This is so badass though. Like whoever came up with this design was a fucking genius. This is not chat. This is not possible. What the fuck? Okay. Yeah. Let's see if you guys are less autistic than me. Okay. There's this weight. I've already got 3 in here. 1, 2, that many. This many. How the fuck is this? Fuck. How does this fit anywhere? Like it doesn't. Wait. Yeah, there's just no fucking way. This is not possible. This just is not possible. Fucking Shivries is probably lurking, watching tutorial videos on this shit, and he's gonna hit me with like a $1,000 super chat. Like, do it like this, retard. There are alternate weights? I bet these are what Dan racks on the bench. This is what he maxes at. Yeah, I just called you out, dude. Fuck you. Fuck, the lighting is not anywhere near what it should be. Shit. Yeah, nope, I still look like a twig. Still, fuck. Yep, alright Dan, your turn to be entertaining. Brav. Feels a lot better now. I needed some weight in this mouse for a while. I totally forgot I had these. Oh, they go in the... Oh, Jesus Christ, dude. Did the guy who engineered this work at NASA? I should have realized this without having to look it up. They go in the back. They go with this. Good God. Such a fucking idiot. Yeah, that feels a lot better. I feel like Dave and Matt Kors share the same stepmom. And she's probably super hot. Yo, Jay, send me that shit as soon as it's done. Stream elements still a thing? Oh fuck, they are. Fuck.
Hello, my YouTube friends.
The fuck was that transition?
Hello, my...
What the fuck?
Hello.
What the fuck?
Hello, my YouTube friends. I'm super excited about today's video. People love voice right too. According to my tricks that can help make you a better YouTuber or live streamer, and subscribe to the channel and click that bell so you don't miss any new content. It's totally free. We're going to use...
I hate the subscribe to the channel, no voice and bullshit moniker, but props on the fucking the animations and video editing.
OBS plugins to change our voice. They've been available for OBS for a long time, and usually people...
There's got to be a software out there that gives me like a depth of field effect on the camera, so I don't have to buy like a $2,000 DSLR.
I'll show you 3 today that are totally free. The first one we're going to download is GVST. We're going to use this G.
Okay, hold on.
I'm about to tell you how to turn this into this. Both of these shots
An overlay, like for example, this one called Rodan. They're all mentioned below. Let's talk. Like it's a better.
Oh, don't tell me he's just gonna use like a PNG
You've always wanted, or
or something.
Adding that background blur. And finally, green screen yourself in front of this image. Make sure of smartphone camera. Step 3, throw this image into free software so you can add stuff like adjusting the lighting, adding those cool LED lights that you've always wanted, or of course, adding that background blur. And finally, green screen yourself in front of this image. Make sure to recognize the webcam, like call it, or basically fake that shallow depth of field like you saw in the original image. I feel like, by the way, post-production Harris here, I feel like I really missed an opportunity here to call the faux bokeh faux-K. So, we're renaming the thing. This is called faux-K. Back to the video. Because yes, that was done entirely on a C920 in real time in OBS. So let me show you how to do this. The secret is like stupid simple. Like I'm gonna tell you and you're gonna roll your eyes and be like, why did I not think smartphone camera? Empty room from that same angle, preferably on a better camera like your smartphone camera. Step 3, throw this image into free software so you can add stuff like adding that background blur. And finally, those cool LED lights into free your simply natural. Literally took a pic and me a lower and click this exact link and it is regular filter and go ahead and toy around.
Ow. Where is this? I hope I don't have to restart OBS for this. Where's the releases? There it is. Hold on, chat. Just give me the fucking download link, dog. What the fuck? Yeah, thank you. He lifts his hands, makes him look like Scooby-Doo villain. Fuck you. Your Peter Griffin laugh is hilarious. Fuck you too. What do you mean? Yeah, I'm gonna run it anyway. I probably just got ratted. Wait, what? No. What? Wait, what? I'm so confused.
With the blur properly and be symmetrical. Then you're gonna add that blur filter and go ahead and toy around with the blur. You add that picture you took as a new image source, resize the image to fit properly and be symmetrical. Be careful not to overdo the blur because it will be tempting to the darkness or the screen yourself. Well, if I zoom this in, look at that, kind of like this. Look how blurry this stuff is behind me. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Now, if you're running Streamlabs, you have to do one tiny different step because you're not going to be able to blur it inside of Streamlabs OBS. Instead, what you're going to have to do is download a free software called GIMP. This is available from your on image. Blurry there. Back my stream.
Resolve from the Blackmagic Design website. Again, all of project and file that you can download.
Oh, look at this fucking boat. Is this fucking Don Davis's fucking father over here?
That has everything set up for you. Inside it, there will be a
Yeah, look at that fucking cheeky fucking grin of his.
a
man.
drop zone
Yeah.
clip
Yeah.
of project file that you can download that has everything set up.
This face fucking right here, yeah? This face right here is the face that Don Davis fucking makes right before he whips out his fucking horse cock. Right before he puts it in your mother.
Download that has everything set up for you. Inside it, there will be a drop zone clip and 2 L zone inside. Use the inspector and adjust the zone.
Dan, how many inches? Or fucking centimeters, because you're fucking
zoom, X, and Y
fucking
parameters.
from the UK.
Jump back into the original room
How
temperature
many?
timeline and select the light you want to use, and then turn off the other one. Or you can use both if you like RGB and if you want to make your stream go faster. Go to the inspector and use the zoom, rotation, position, pitch, and your parameters to manipulate the look of the light. If you want to add more lights to your scene, just move the blur overlay up a few layers, copy and paste your light onto the track above, and then do the same adjustments as before. To make this easier, I recommend and select Open Effect.
This is actually
Light
dope as fuck.
click on the Gaussian blur filter and then adjust your light.
Wait, so I should... Fuck, I really want to... Time is it 7 a.m.? There's gotta be a way. I'd probably have to move the couch. Fuck. Where's my fucking watch charger? Fucking hell, bruv. Where'd I put me fucking watch charger? These sleeves won't stay up either. Everything's just fucking annoying the shit out of me right now. I don't know where the fuck I put... This is not good. Apple are a bunch of fucking cunts for this, dude. Found it. Apple are a bunch of cunts though, like... There's no like input that you can use to charge the watch. You just straight up have to have the like $50 proprietary wireless charging. You and me. Fucking Steve Ive, right? Stevie Ive? Is that the lead designer's name from Apple? There was a meme account that I followed, or a parody account. Steve Ivy? Johnny Ive. This guy's account is fucking hilarious. Yo, Kristen Ritter, hot as fuck. She was in Breaking Bad. This is an OG meme. The fuck is that noise? That's the desk. Remember how we said about not laughing out loud when you find things funny? Yeah. I just laughed out loud. Mission accomplished. If you can make Dan laugh out loud, you're actually funny. Too bad it was probably just a pity laugh. soften this light? This is like it's the, well, no, it's not the perfect light. Fuck me.